Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's look at how we can create, compile and execute a simple Java program. Before we proceed, we have to make sure we have Java installed on our machine and the environment path variable is set up as needed. We have separate videos on why to set up and how to set up path environment variable, which can be referred for more details. Now, let's look at the simple Java program that I already created, which has a print statement. First, open the command prompt and verify if you have Java installed using the command java space -version. It should return the Java version that is installed on our machine. Then compile the program using the command javac space program name.java. It should compile the program and create the respective class file. Finally, execute the program using the command java space program name. It should execute the print statement and give us the output. Let me show you this on my machine. This is the Java program that I created on my machine, and this is the content of the file where we have public static void main, and it just have one statement, which is the print statement that will print hello world. Now let me open the command prompt from this location. Check if we have Java installed or not using java space -version, and it has returned the Java version. Now let me compile this program using this command javac space hello world.java. Hello world is the program name. So if you look at the folder where we have the Java file, so we don't have the respective .class file because we did not compile it. So once we compile this, it has created this .class file. Now we can execute this program. Hello world, java space program name. And if you look at the output, it says hello world. So this is how we can create, compile and execute a Java program. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.